LCJ Delights Kitchen. Today we are going to make flatbread using provision flour. Today for our flatbread we're going to be using plantain flour. Again, you can use any variety of LCJ Delights Provision Meal. There's the plantain, there's sweet potato, green banana, anyone you want to use. But today we are going to use the plantain meal to make the flatbread. So you need approximately, for this recipe, you need approximately 1 cup of plantain flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon salt, and 2 cups of water. So you're going to add the salt and the baking powder to the provision meal. Alright, so you're going to mix it up nicely, all the ingredients together. Right, and now we are going to add our water, and we're going to be whisking the water in because we don't want any lumps whatsoever. Right, so now that we have everything nice and mixed together, it's a nice runny mixture, you're going to set it aside to just thicken up a little bit, just a little bit, not too much. Alright, so now we're going to transfer the mixture from the bowl to the measuring cup so that it's easy to pour into your frying pan. And again, we set it aside to thicken up for about another 5 minutes or so. Okay, so now that our mixture has thickened up a little bit, as I said before, you don't want it too thick, you want it just runny enough so that it'll fill the entire pan. Obviously depends on the size of the flatbread you're trying to make. Alright, but if you're making it into a wrap, well yeah, you need it a little more on the runny side. Alright, so that it can cook thoroughly. So we're going to head over to the stove to begin our flatbread making. And we are back. So this is what the finished product of our flatbread looks like, the plantain flatbread. Alright, so the recipe that I would have done today, it makes about 3 to 4 flatbread. If it's about the size of the average medium-sized frying pan. If you want it smaller, like in a taco size, obviously you're going to get more out of that recipe. Alright, so now we are going to add our little ingredients inside to make our wrap. Alright, so we're going to add some tomatoes. We add some shredded carrots here. And we have some sausage. And we have a little bit of cheese. Yes, I love cheese. Right, and then we're going to dress it with some honey mustard sauce. And yes, this honey mustard sauce you can also purchase it at LCJ Delights. So we have everything here. Now we could just wrap it all together, and there we have it, our plantain gluten-free provision meal wrap.